Alright, hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little first impressions try on video for you guys of the Natasha Denona Mini Gold eyeshadow palette. This is just the packaging. The actual palette is right here. I think there are two matte shades. These two are the matte shades. This looks like a metallic one as well as this one, and this looks like a regular shimmer, but I'm going to try and use as many of these colors as possible. Originally I was gonna film my go-to broad smoky eye today, but since my nails are kind of a mustardy yellow color, I thought it'd be super fun to get a new palette to complement them. So here we are. I have high hopes for this palette because I already have the mini retro eyeshadow palette and I really enjoyed that, and I filmed a few videos with it. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump right into it. Another disclaimer, if you hear jingling, that's my dog's collar. He is sitting right next to me and hanging out with me, being nice right now, so if he gets up to move around, that's him. So I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids. I'm taking the Morphe eyelid primer. I'm just going to pat a little bit on both eyelids. Okay, now that my eyelids are primed, I think I'm going to go in with a Morphe M441, which is just a big fluffy blender brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Anthea, I think, which is this like pale neutral, and I'm just going to start working this in my crease as like a transition color. So far so good, it's blending pretty easily. I'm going to make sure to wing this out a little bit. Okay, and then next I'm going to take a Morphe M433 and I'm going to dip into the shade Dark Sepia, which is kind of like a matte army green. I'm just going to place this in the crease and outer corner right beneath the first shade. So far so good. I like the way these two colors look together in the crease. It's taking me a little bit to blend them. Okay, and I think I'm gonna go back in with my M441 and Anthea, the first shade, and just make sure it's all blended. Now I'm going to take a flat shading brush. I'm going to try and work as many of these colors as possible. I'm going to take the shade Lodge, which is the far one here, and I'm just going to put this all over my lid. That's an interesting color. It's kind of like brown with green and gold reflex. Okay, now I'm going to take another flat shading brush and I'm going to go into the shade Via, which is this shimmery darker color. And I'm going to tap this into my outer corner. Oh wow, I was not expecting that. That's really cute. I'm gonna go back in with the M443 and Dark Sepia the green and just blend and kind of intensify. Okay, I like how my lids look, so I'm gonna go and finish the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll come back to finish the eyes. Alright, so now that I've finished up most of my face, I'm gonna finish up my eyes. I'm gonna take a Morphe M507 little pointed blender brush and go into the light matte shade Anthea again. We're just gonna work this all over the lower lash line. I'm just gonna connect it to the eyeshadow up here. And then I'm going to take a Morphe M321 little smudge brush thing and then go into the shade Dark Sepia again and just work this outer third to half of my eye. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go back in with the first brush and make sure it's completely blended. Alright, so this looks good for the lower lash line. Now, to finish off the rest of my eye look, I'm gonna dip in, let me find the brush. So I'm gonna take this Luxie mini round brush and I'm gonna go into the middle shade Door, which I think is means gold, and I'm gonna put this in my inner corner. Actually, I kind of want to take this shade a little bit inwards too and see what that does for my eye. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so I really like how it turned out with the gold and bringing it into the inner part of my lid. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my eyes and face off camera, and I will be back to show you guys the completed look. Alright, so this is it for the completed look. To finish it off, I used the Benefit Hoola bronzer, as well as the Cover FX Monochromatic Blush Duo in the shade Soft Peach. And I just took the matte shade of this one. And then for highlight, I used the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in Lunch Money, and for my eyelashes I used my favorite Ardell 3D Faux Minks in the style 858. And lastly, for my lips, I'm wearing the Morphe Matte Liquid Lipstick in Virgin. Alright, this is it for the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you were into this kind of warm fall type colors, I would definitely recommend this palette. It's perfect as we transition away from summer and more into fall. I was able to use all the colors to create this look, and I think it turned out so beautiful. I'm definitely going to be reaching for this regularly. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell for post notifications. And if you're new here, hi, nice to meet you. My name is Valentina and I upload 2 to 3 times a week. I'm so happy to have you guys here. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.